Good morning, class 11th, economics period. Now we are going to start another topic or lesson. The name of the lesson is revenue concept or concepts of revenue. We have already done production function, then we did cost concept, and today we are doing revenue. First of all, what is the meaning of revenue? Revenue, amount received from sale of a product. किसी प्रोडक्ट को बेच करके आपकी जो टोटल सेल रिसीव होती है, दैट इज नोन एज रेवेन्यू. सो सिंपल वर्ड, अमाउंट रिसीव्ड इन अ बिजनेस बाय सेलिंग different units of a commodity at a given price is known as revenue. Now we will be discussing types of revenue or concept of revenue. The first type is number 1, total revenue, which is denoted by TR. So total revenue is equal to total amount received by sale of total units of a commodity during a given period of time. किसी स्पेसिफिक समय में हम किसी यूनिट की, किसी कमोडिटी की 10 यूनिट बेच के 15 यूनिट बेच करके कितना सेल का पैसा रिसीव कर रहे हैं, दैट इज नोन एज टोटल रेवेन्यू. व्हाट इज टोटल रेवेन्यू? P into Q, price into quantity. If I sell 10 units of a commodity at 8 rupees per unit, what is my total revenue? My total revenue is 80 rupees. Price into quantity. Now second, marginal revenue. What is marginal revenue? Net addition to total revenue. Net addition to total revenue due to sale of one extra unit of the commodity. कि एक यूनिट एक्स्ट्रा बेचने से हमारे टोटल रेवेन्यू में कितना एडिशन होता है, दैट इज नोन एज मार्जिनल रेवेन्यू. व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला फॉर मार्जिनल रेवेन्यू? डेल्टा टीआर अपॉन डेल्टा क्यू, चेंज इन रेवेन्यू अपॉन चेंज इन क्वांटिटी. और टीआर एन प्लस 1 टोटल रेवेन्यू, एन प्लस 1 मीन्स एक्स्ट्रा यूनिट को बेचने से टोटल रेवेन्यू ड्यू टू एक्स्ट्रा यूनिट, माइनस टीआरएन टोटल रेवेन्यू बिफोर एक्स्ट्रा यूनिट. मान लो यहां मैंने 10 यूनिट बेची है 8 रुपए पे, तो 80 रुपए हुआ, तो ये तो हो गया टीआरएन. और एक्स्ट्रा यूनिट मैंने मान लो 11 बेची है और प्राइस मान लो मेरी कितनी है, 8 रुपए है, तो मेरी हो गई ये 88 रुपीज. तो ये जो 11 यूनिट 88 है, ये क्या है? टीआरएन प्लस 1 है, और ये 80 है, ये है टीआरएन. And if I add the total MR at the end, it should be equal to total revenue. That's why I wrote over here total revenue is equal to sigma MR. Then average revenue. Per unit revenue is known as average revenue. AR is equal to total revenue upon quantity. Let us try to understand with the help of a table and diagram. First, let us take quantity sold. Quantity sold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right. Now let us take price. I think you know very well what is the law of demand. If you want to sell more commodity, you can sell it by decreasing the price. So let us take reverse. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right. Now first we will be calculating TR, total revenue. I told formula to you, just price into quantity. Price into quantity. So 6, 10, 12, 12, 7, 10 and 6. 6 1 ja, 5 2 ja, 4 3 ja, 4 3 ja, 5 2 ja, 6 1 ja. Now I need MR, marginal revenue. First we will keep dash, or you can write 6 even. Now what is the net addition? 4. Then what is the net addition? 2. Net addition again 0. Here net addition 2. Here net addition minus 4. Here you can write even 6. Because at 0 unit there was no revenue, and by adding 1 unit our revenue becomes 6. So MR can be taken 6. Now average revenue AR, TR upon Q. This is TR, this is Q. Total revenue upon quantity. 6 upon 1, 6. 10 upon 2, 5. 12 upon 3, 4, 4, 12 upon 4, 3, 10 upon 5, 2, and 6 upon 6, 1. Always remember your price and average revenue will always be same. हमेशा AR is equal to P होता है always, AR you will find always P, हमेशा AR एवरेज रेवेन्यू आपको किसके इक्वल मिलेगा, प्राइस के इक्वल मिलेगा. Why it is so? I can tell you. Just see over here. As we know, AR is equal to TR upon Q. As we know, AR, what is TR? P into Q, price into quantity upon quantity. Here quantity cancel. So what it is stands for, sir? AR is equal to price. So here also you can check price is always equal to average revenue. You see the behavior, MR is continuously declining and AR is also continuously declining. Let us draw the diagram. This is quantity sold, this is quantity sold. Here I will take revenue and price, and I will take first TR. This is TR, total revenue. The point where TR is maximum, draw a perpendicular here. Draw a perpendicular. Now I will be drawing AR and MR. Quantity sold, same things to be taken over here. Revenue and price. And the point where it intersects. So this is MR and AR will be above it. This is AR. This is the shape of TR and MR. This is shape of total revenue, marginal revenue and average revenue. MR is continuously declining. You can check over here. It becomes 0, 0. Then it goes into negative zone, negative zone. AR it is above than MR. ये MR से ऊपर रहेगा. Let us try to understand the relation, sir. I am wiping out these topics. I already taught you. TR, AR, MR and all. Now I will try to establish the relation between TR and MR. Relation between TR and MR. So my dear, first relation, TR is equal to sigma MR and MR is equal to delta TR upon delta Q. This is the first relation. MR can be calculated with the help of TR and TR can be calculated with the help of MR. The second relation, till MR is positive, TR keeps on increasing. जब तक आपका MR पॉजिटिव है तब तक TR बढ़ता रहेगा. आप चेक कर सकते हो सर. यहाँ देखिए आपका MR यहाँ तक पॉजिटिव है तो TR यहाँ तक क्या हो रहा है, बढ़ रहा है. From diagram also you can check. Your MR is 0 over here. इस पॉइंट पे आपका MR 0 है. तो up to this stage TR is continuously increasing. यहाँ तक TR आपका लगातार बढ़ रहा है. तो till MR is positive, TR keeps on increasing. Number 3, when MR becomes 0, TR is maximum. जब MR 0 होता है तो आपका TR मैक्सिमम रहेगा. You can check from table also. Here when MR is 0, TR is maximum. After that TR is declining. From diagram also, here MR is 0, TR is maximum at point A, and after that TR is keeps on declining. Fourth relation, when MR becomes negative, TR starts declining. जब तक MR जब नेगेटिव हो जाएगा तो TR डिक्लाइन होना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. You can check over here. So these are relation between TR and MR. In the same way, the relation can be found between MR and AR. The relation between MR and AR. MR and AR. First, AR is equal to TR upon Q. MR is equal to delta TR upon delta Q. Both can be calculated with the help of TR. Number 2, both false. Both are falling. You can check from both table and diagram. Both falls, but MR falls faster. MR falls faster. Number 3, MR can be 0 or negative. MR क्या भी हो सकता है, 0 और नेगेटिव, बट AR can't be. AR कभी भी 0 नहीं हो सकता. AR can't be 0. So these are relation between AR and MR, average revenue and marginal revenue. So these were few topics today I taught you which are related with your AR, TR, MR with table and diagram. Thank you very much.